Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for August 16th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Teva received approval from the FDA to launch its generic version of Mylan's epinephrine auto-injector EpiPen for the emergency treatment of allergic reactions in children and adults. FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb said, "Today's approval of the first generic version of the most widely prescribed epinephrine auto-injector in the U.S. is part of our long-standing commitment to advance access to lower-cost, safe, and effective generic alternatives once patents and other exclusivities no longer prevent approval." Also in the news, the Chinese government ordered the sacking of several officials as part of an investigation into a recent vaccine safety scandal. The fired officials include Jilin Vice Governor Jin Yuhui, who had directed food and drug regulation in the province since last year, and State Market Regulatory Administration Deputy Director Bai Jingchuan. In addition, Pfizer entered a deal with BioNTech, potentially worth up to $425 million, to develop mRNA-based vaccines for the prevention of influenza. Katherine Jansen, head of Pfizer's vaccine R&D unit, noted, mRNA vaccines offer the potential to manufacture higher potency flu vaccines more rapidly and at a lower cost than contemporary flu vaccines. In other news, a Phase 3 study of Teva and Regeneron Pharmaceuticals' fasinumab in patients with chronic pain from osteoarthritis of the knee or hip met both co-primary goals. Regeneron Chief Scientific Officer George Yankopoulos said, "We are encouraged by these data and look forward to advancing our pivotal Phase 3 fasinumab program." And finally, the FDA expanded approval of Vertex Pharmaceuticals' Kalydeco to include use in children aged at least 12 months but younger than 24 months, who carry at least one responsive CFTR mutation. The company noted that the approval marks the first and only medicine to treat the underlying cause of cystic fibrosis in this group of patients. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.